Hello everyone, these are the 12 cranial nerves. 1 is the olfactory nerve, 2 is the optic nerve, 3 the oculomotor nerve, 4 the trochlear, 5 the trigeminal, 6 the abducens, 7 the facial, 8 the vestibulocochlear, 9 the glossopharyngeal, 10 the vagus, 11 the spinal accessory, and 12 the hypoglossal nerve. There are so many mnemonics which we can use to remember all these, but personally, the following is my favorite. There's also a reason why the nerves here are color coded. We can use the following mnemonic. O, O, O. The first O is for the olfactory. The second O is for the optic nerve, and the third O is, of course, the oculomotor nerve. O, 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 to touch and feel very good velvet. Two here is the trochlear nerve, and five is the trigeminal nerve. And is for the abducens nerve, and feel is for the facial nerve. Very stands for the vestibulocochlear nerve, and good is for the glossopharyngeal nerve. Velvet here stands for the vagus nerve. Honestly, this is probably not velvet, but let's go along with it anyway. O, 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 to touch and feel very good velvet. Ah, heaven. Here is for the accessory nerve, which is the spinal accessory nerve. And heaven is the hypoglossal nerve. Again, O, 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 to touch and feel very good velvet. Heaven. Olfactory nerve, the optic nerve, the oculomotor nerve, the trochlear nerve, the trigeminal nerve, the abducens, the facial nerve, the vestibulocochlear nerve, the glossopharyngeal nerve, the vagus nerve, the spinal accessory nerve, and finally, the hypoglossal nerve. Those are the 12 cranial nerves.